In this system, where would you place a cache to best increase performance? How long does the average request take, and are we spending more time doing business logic within the server or actually waiting for queries to execute on the database side? Average total request time is 10 seconds, 8 seconds of which is spent querying the database. Got it. Now, is the same data going to be used across multiple different API requests, or is it something more like personal data where one user would only ever access their own data? Assume that the data is shared and multiple different requests will want the same data from the database. Great, and how often are we writing to the database? We'll expect 1 out of every 10 requests will write, so writes are semi-frequent. Given all that information, I'd put the cache in between the database and the server. This is still going to save us 80% of our latency on cached requests because most of the latency is coming from the database. Additionally, the data needs to change pretty often and cache invalidation is much easier if we're caching at the database level.